Welcome to DIY and Reviews with Bill. If you love hands-on projects, honest product reviews, and saving money, you're in the right place. From DIY builds to testing tools and gadgets, I will break it all down so you know what works and what's worth it. Subscribe and join me as I take on multiple projects, put different products to the test, and try to help you get the best bang for your buck. So, without further ado, let's get right to it. If you're looking to get started with crypto investing but don't want to spend any money up front, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how you can get started earning crypto completely free just by shopping online using a web browser extension called Lolli. Plus, I'll talk about how to safely store your crypto with a Ledger Nano until you're ready to cash out. Quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. Now, let's get to it. So what is Lolli? Lolli is a browser extension that rewards you with Bitcoin or digital cash back when you shop at participating online stores. It's like getting free crypto or cash back for buying things you are already going to buy. Major retailers like Walmart, Nike, Best Buy, and others are partnered with Lolli, so it's super easy to start earning. I will leave a link in the description where you can sign up using my link, and once you make an online purchase with your Lolli account, I will earn $5. You can also do the same thing when you sign up by sharing your link with other people. Getting started is simple. First, go to Lolli's website and sign up for a free account. Then install the browser extension. Once you have it installed, make sure you click the pen icon that looks like a thumbtack so that it shows up in your browser extensions at the top of your browser. Then you just shop like normal. Whenever a store offers rewards, a notification from Lolli should pop up. If it doesn't, just make sure that it's activated by pressing on this purple or red circle and should show an activate button. Once you click that, it should turn green, letting you know that it has been activated. You may also get a green box that pops up as well. Now once you start earning Bitcoin, you'll want to keep it safe. You can leave it online in your Lolli wallet, but doing so can be risky as someone can hack your account and gain access to your crypto. So I highly recommend transferring it to a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano. But in order to do this, you will need to have a minimum of $15 in your Lolli wallet. Now this is where you would spend a little money to help protect your crypto assets. The Ledger Nano is a cold storage device that keeps your crypto secure from hackers. What is nice about the Ledger is that you can store more than one type of crypto asset on it, such as Ethereum, Internet Computer, XRP, and many others. Transferring your Bitcoin is simple. You just connect your Ledger Nano to your computer, open the Ledger Live app, copy your Bitcoin address once you have created a wallet, and paste it to send your Bitcoin from your Lolli account to your Ledger wallet address. That way you have full control over your crypto and don't have to worry about losing it if a website gets hacked. So what do you do when you're ready to turn your Bitcoin into cash? You'll need to transfer it from your Ledger Nano to a crypto exchange like Coinbase or Binance, for example. Once there, you can sell it for real US dollars and withdraw it to your bank account. And that is it. You've turned free Bitcoin into real money. So there you have it. You can start earning free crypto today just by shopping online with Lolli. Store it securely with the Ledger Nano and cash it out whenever you're ready. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.